model. Okay. Oops. Wait. Ayan. Business model canvas no, for today. Now, yesterday you had your training and workshop about business planning. And let's try to compare then no, the differences no, between a business planning, a full-blown business planning, and a business model canvas. No? Earlier, si Ma'am Vicky nagpakita ng mga questions no, about business model canvas no, before we start no, yung our discussion. Let's try to answer lang these questions. First, sabi dito, how do you adapt and innovate your business model to stay competitive in the market? Okay? Ang key term natin dito is to adapt. Kasi when we say about the competitive landscape of businesses, it is always changing. No? The problem kasi, if it is always changing, di ba, we must also adapt. Now, with our business plan, sometimes ang hirap baguhin, 'di ba, yung whole business plan because of the various parts. Ang daming parts na kailangan mong i-check isa-isa. One way na pwede natin baguhin our business model is to revise and check or recheck our business model canvas kasi it's easier to change, it's easier to adapt. Later on makikita natin kung bakit. And in relation no, with the second question, no, do we have to update our business model canvas yearly? Okay, again, just like what I have said earlier, because of the ever-changing business competitive landscape, no, we must adapt or we must update it regularly. But kagandahan ng business model canvas because it is a one-page na somehow a one-page business plan, mas madali nating i-change kung ano man yung dapat baguhin with our business model. Ayan, in relation then with question number 3, is the business model canvas or is this referring to the one-page template business model? Yes po. Ito po yung kagandahan ng business model canvas. With that one-page template, we can already see the different areas no, for our business. Ayan. Kaya makikita natin mamaya yung 9 building blocks that we can see in one page, which is essentially our whole business model. Okay, fourth question po dito, is the visualization and concept is it an ideal indicator for a good business canvas? As much as possible, ang business model canvas should be visual. That's why it is represented by a map. No? Again, it's a one-page business plan and it's a map on all areas of the businesses. Mas madali nating makikita yung overall picture of our business model. Is there other ways in preparing and presenting the business model canvas? Sabi dito. Later on, I will show you yung map, yung sinasabi kong map on how to present the 9 blocks of the business model canvas. Okay, second to the last question here. For startups or smaller businesses, what advice will you give for effectively utilizing the business model canvas to refine their business model and secure investment? Now, ito na yung isang, if I may say, isang rule natin when making business model canvas, which is applicable not only for small businesses but other businesses, is to make it as simple as possible. Oh, hello, naririnig po ba ako? Ayan. Excuse
Yes
me.
po.
Okay. Nakikita po ba yung presentation ko? Ayan.
Yes po. Okay na po.
Ayan. Sorry. Ayan. Ano yung sabi ko kanina? To make it as simple as possible. That is the best advice na pwede kong gawin. That's why business model canvas works even for small businesses. And last, should we develop the BMC before the business plan? Well, if you are a starting company, just to give you an overview of what your business should have been, mas maganda na simulan natin sa business model canvas. Kasi again, it will give you an overall picture of what areas your business should be focusing into. Ayan. So ideally, mas maganda kung if unahin natin ang business model canvas before doing your business plan. Okay? Ayan. So, yan, answering those questions kanina. I guess these questions are from our participants. Okay. So, let's move now dito with my topic for today, no? This is the business model canvas. Ayan. Okay. For today, we will be trying to tackle these objectives. First is to introduce to you guys what is a business model canvas. Second part, now we will be discussing the 9 building blocks or the 9 parts of the business model canvas. And later on, maybe this afternoon, we will have a workshop on how to create and use the business model canvas effectively. Okay? So ready na po ba tayo? Ayan. Okay. All right. Oops. Ayan. So let's ask this first question. No? Ano nga ba ang business model canvas? Okay? So a business model canvas, it will help us as business owners to visualize and assess our business model. And why do we do this? So that we can make strategic decisions and to innovate effectively. Just like what I have said earlier, the ever-changing business landscape, we need to adapt, we need to innovate effectively. And by having this map, itong business model canvas, we can already visualize ano ba dapat ang kailangan nating i-adjust or baguhin with our business. Okay? Now, it is very essential for businesses on how they create, deliver, and capture value. Which if you remember with our series 1, yung aking naging to, it is always about giving value, adding value to our products and services. Siyempre, para sa ating to meet our customers' needs and wants. So question, sa inyo guys, sino na ang naka-experience na gumamit ng BMC or any type of business models? Well, definitely yesterday you had meron na kayo yung training about, tama ba, yung sa business planning. But have you tried using BMC? Meron na po bang nakapag-try dito?